For over a decade, GoPro wasn't just a product, it defined what it meant to be an action camera. From mountain peaks to surfboards, the GoPro Hero series was everywhere. It earned its name through rugged builds, compact form, and high-quality video in extreme conditions. But in recent years, the story changed. While brands like DJI and Insta360 kept pushing forward with larger sensors and smarter tech, GoPro seemed to be treading water. Upgrades felt minor, and the innovation pace slowed down. Now, as the rumored GoPro Hero 14 Black approaches, likely to debut in September 2025, it carries with it a wave of expectations. People are asking, is this the version that brings GoPro back to the front of the pack? And more importantly, is it worth the wait? Today on Technify, we're breaking down everything we know so far about the Hero 14. From sensor upgrades to interface changes, here's what could make this the most exciting GoPro in years. Let's begin with the most talked about rumor, a move to a 1-inch sensor. This would be a major change and not just a number on the spec sheet. A bigger sensor collects more light, which means better detail, richer colors, and sharper footage. Especially in low-light scenes like twilight hikes, cave dives, or indoor filming. Action cameras don't always get to pick perfect lighting. That's why this sensor upgrade is such a big deal. Instead of chasing ultra-high resolutions that most people won't use, GoPro may finally be focusing on better overall image quality. And that's a smart move. In addition to image performance, we may also see major user interface changes. One big improvement could be a new edge-to-edge rear screen, larger, clearer, and easier to use. Imagine being able to frame your shots more precisely or navigate settings without fumbling, especially useful for vloggers and solo creators. On top of that, there's talk of redesigned physical controls. New dedicated buttons might allow you to switch modes or start recording instantly. Perfect for those fast-paced moments when you can't afford to dig through menus. Another big issue in past models, particularly the Hero 11 and 12, was overheating. Record too long, especially in warm environments, and the camera would shut down. For adventurers and professionals, this wasn't just inconvenient, it was a deal breaker. The Hero 14 seems ready to take that head-on. Rumors point to a brand new processor, possibly named GP3. Paired with better heat dissipation, like an integrated heatsink, this could mean longer recording sessions with fewer interruptions. And of course, that would also benefit image processing and things like stabilization and AI-driven features. Battery life is always a trade-off in compact cameras. While GoPro made progress with its Enduro battery in the Hero 13, the May 14th push further. There's speculation of a higher capacity cell working alongside the efficient new processor. That could mean more shooting time between charges, especially useful for remote shoots or long outdoor adventures where charging isn't an option. But all these upgrades must fit within GoPro's signature small and rugged body. How they balance form and function will be critical. Of course, while GoPro prepares the Hero 14, competitors are not standing still. DJI's Osmo Action series already includes models with large sensors, while Insta360 continues to lead with innovative software and modular designs. GoPro can't afford to lag behind this time. That said, the Hero 13 was a solid performer. Its GPS tracking, improved thermals, and strong stabilization were steps forward. People who say the Hero 11, 12, and 13 were all the same may have missed those refinements. For users already invested in the ecosystem, especially those who bought Enduro batteries or other accessories, upgrading will be smoother. And if you're thinking of buying now, there are still good deals on the 11 and 13. In the end, the best camera is the one that helps you capture your story today. So, is the GoPro Hero 14 Black worth waiting for? If the rumored 1-inch sensor, better thermal control, and smarter design all make it into the final version, this could be the biggest GoPro leap in years. It could answer critics, outshine rivals, and bring GoPro back to the top of the action cam world. But only you know what you need. If your current gear is holding you back and you're ready to create now, don't wait. Pick the best tool you can today, start capturing your story, and upgrade when it truly makes sense. Because at the end of the day, unforgettable moments don't wait for the next release. They're happening now. Thanks for tuning in to Technify. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more deep dives into the latest gear. Until next time, keep shooting, keep exploring.